Hey guys, it's Boxing Day today, so just going off for my mandatory post-Christmas dinner run. You know, try and sweat out all the amazing food that I ate yesterday. So yeah, I'm going to be running through the bush and, you know, mostly on the road, but through the bush of Titirangi. You just kind of see, I guess, how bush-like it is here. Cool. So yeah, I thought I'd take you on this journey. So that was kind of like the first warm-up bit. And I just did some stretches. I guess why I wanted to take you on this kind of journey, this run. Yeah, it's part of my kind of routine. It's what keeps me sane. But even just running through, you know, running around in the hills of where I live. Although a lot of it's running on the road, it's still running through so many trees and, you know, just so green around everywhere. So it was quite an inspiration, I guess, to just keep going. But, you know, just in general, you know, just inspiration for life itself, I guess. Cool. Well, that's enough talking for now. Just on my warm-up, gonna start running up the hill. Wish me luck. Hey guys, gosh, so I'm up the top of Mount Atkinson now, so that's kind of you know, out, I guess, on the outskirts of what's known as the Waitakere Ranges, which is kind of like this big mountain range, I guess, you know, forest and bush out kind of in west Auckland, trying to get the best sort of footage, the best stuff for you guys. so that, you know, you can really enjoy the scenery, you know, so I can capture it to its fullest, to really try and get a feel for the place. I run up here every couple of days, and actually this run, or up here, is kind of one of the main inspirations, I guess, for even doing this channel. You know, to try and share this this natural beauty. You know, it's out here, like in West Auckland where I live, you know, it's covered in bush. You know, the feeling of nature, living out in the bush, you know, kind of being, I guess, isolated. You know, just the interaction you have with nature, and just the natural beauty, you know, of the place. You know, it really is breathtaking. It's inspiring, you know, it's awe-inspiring, you know. Maybe you guys know some of my artwork stuff. I'm trying to do these kind of, you know, these interactive immersive installations which deal with this feeling of awe, you know. And I guess, you know, in some ways, you know, while I was chasing it in art, you sometimes forget, particularly in places like London, you know, that nature kind of has that in plentiful supply if you're just willing to go look for it. This run, first time I ran up here, you know, after being away for so long, originally about maybe 5 or 6 years ago, going up that path and just being like, wow, this is, you know, it'd be great to be able to capture this one day. This is, you know, why I've kind of got these new cameras. It's really, you know, to try and capture, yeah, that feeling, you know, that feeling you get, the awe feeling, you know, that you get from nature. I really, I guess, try to package it, squeeze it into a little box, and put it into YouTube, you know. It's just like running through, you know, there's that little bit, obviously, you know, I've been running on the roads, but then there's a few pieces where you're off-road and you're running through the bush. And actually I'm going to try and find a lot more of these places for myself, but also, you know, for you guys to kind of film. And, you know, there's so many various areas around here, throughout New Zealand, with amazing scenery, amazing views. Yeah, and just, you know, the whole idea, I guess, about this vlog really, you know, is trying to reconnect with where I'm from, trying to relive, I mean, I don't know, like, you know, delve into the memories of, you know, of where I'm from. You know, that's definitely part of this. And like I said, you know, this run in particular, this run up here to the top of Atkinson, you know, that bit through the bush, the views, you know, so I don't know if you can see. I'll stop talking. I'll show you over here. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. So kind of over there you can see like the Sky Tower, and then behind that is Rangitoto. That's from that's like one direction, so that's like the city way, and then we got over this way, you know, which is, I mean, it's just, you know, the first time I ran up here, it took my breath away. It really did. You know, I don't know, yeah, it's one of the most amazing kind of runs that I go on, although I am, like I said, trying to find more to kind of capture. So yeah, I'm going to turn you this way now. I mean, so this is kind of, this is the, like, the Manukau Harbour. So Auckland, over here is like the Manukau Heads, and that's kind of the inlet, and this all here is a whole harbour, so it's kind of sealed off. Sort of over here is Auckland Airport, which would be where if anybody was flying in, it's where I flew into, you know, when I came in from London all those months ago. Yeah, so, you know, you kind of, and over, I guess here somewhere, here is where I've just run from. So from here to there, it's about 4k each way, maybe a bit more. I might pull up a map like now and sort of let me know if does this interest you, where I am now, what I'm walking through. Should I be focusing more on talking to you? Should I be focusing more on capturing my surroundings? I mean, I kind of want to play it by ear, but kind of, this is also, I think, to capture the place for me as well, so I remember where I've been. So obviously I'm gonna have my ideas, but I'd love to hear yours. So I'd love to know what you find interesting, like what you'd like to see. I'm sure it's not just me, like, all sweaty running up a mountain. I'm sure there's more. Well, I know there's more that you want to see. There's more that I want to give you, I guess is what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know, that'll do. I'm starting to cool down a bit too much, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Gonna run back down. Okay, so coming towards the end of this one, the end of my run, the end of this vlog, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I tried to capture, a lot of the things that I kind of see on my running routine. Just the natural beauty of the place. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's all there is to say, really. If you did like this, like it on the YouTube, subscribe, etc., all those things, comment, let me know what you think. Yeah, nice one. Cheers, guys.